Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So, affiliate marketing. I wanted to share how to get started with affiliate marketing, what is affiliate marketing, and some good examples of affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically when you link to a product or you talk about a product, you link to it, refer a sale or whatever, and you get a cut of the sale. That's essentially what affiliate marketing is. It can vary in different ways, but it's basically like being a salesperson for a company. I think it's a fantastic way to make money online, especially because if it's products or services that you already use and recommending them to others, why shouldn't you get a kickback for them? It's literally what spawns so many different review websites and so many different review YouTube channels. So I want to go through some great examples of affiliate marketing that I have in front of me. Andrew Edwards, he's a YouTuber. He does tech reviews and stuff like that. He has a YouTube channel with 228,000 subscribers right now. So it's quite a good following, but it's definitely not in the millions or anything like that. But he shared a screenshot of his Amazon affiliates account showing that he made $500,000 for Amazon. So when it comes to Amazon affiliates and Amazon associates and things like that, it can vary how much you get. It can vary between 2 to 10% depending on the products that you share and depending on what people buy. So with that in mind, let's just say you get 5% of that. You can imagine 5% of $500,000 made for Amazon, you're going to get $25,000. And that is what I estimate Andrew made in a month for Amazon using Amazon associates. And he really doesn't have a massive following, having 228,000 subscribers. Obviously, that's still a really great achievement. Not everyone can get that many subscribers, but there are a lot of channels out there and there are a lot of other YouTubers out there who have smaller followings who make just as much. And this is just a really great use case of how having an audience, having a sort of specialized audience, reviewing tech products, gadgets and things like that, you can make a lot of money from Amazon associates. Another example is Teresa Caruso, who runs her own TikTok profile, where basically all she does is just share her Amazon finds. Now, she definitely does have like an aesthetic. She goes for more of a sort of girly vibe, you could say. Goes for more of like a pinky, sort of pastel-y sort of aesthetic to her profile and the products that she covers. And she only started last year in January 2020. And up to January 2021, she now has 2.7 million followers. So she's gained an absolutely amazing following just from sharing Amazon products. She links to those Amazon products in her profile. She links to them on her website. So even if we just do a very rough estimate, because she's 10 times the size of Andrew, and she's doing pretty much exactly the same thing, recommending Amazon products and things like that. I mean, we could estimate that she's making $250,000 a month just from Amazon affiliates, which is just insane. Absolutely insane amount of money just covering nice Amazon products that people might be interested in. She does very quick videos showing these products, showing what she does with them and how they can benefit you in whatever way that she can find, basically. So yeah, fantastic way to make more money from Amazon affiliates. Pat Flynn. So Pat actually runs a blog called smartpassiveincome.com, and I've actually been following him on and off sort of for a while now, for quite a few years. And yeah, he basically just has a blog where he shares how to make money online. So it's funny because he has a blog on how to make money and he's making money on how to make money, which is what I'm doing as well. But hey, people are interested, so why not? Anyway, he shares income reports, but he hasn't actually shared an income report for a while now. The last one that I see is from December 2017. But even when we look at his income report from December 2017, we can see that in affiliate income alone, he has made $105,000, which is just amazing. And he's listed down some of the products that he's made affiliate income from. And it's just another great example of someone who's just sharing what they're passionate about and helping other people and then making money just by referring them to those services. There's a really interesting article by Fast Company about mattresses. Now you may be thinking mattresses, that's not that interesting, but I recommend checking out the article. I'll leave a link to it down in the description. And basically, as most of you will probably already know, there's quite a huge boom for mattresses now. You can buy an online mattress without having to go to like a mattress store and stuff like that. You've probably seen ads for mattress companies like Casper, Purple, and Tuft & Needle. I see so many ads everywhere for these brands on all sorts of different mattresses. And because of these mattresses, because of these online retailers selling mattresses, there's also websites that review these mattresses. There's actually quite a few websites that review these mattresses. Their sole purpose is to share with others how comfortable these mattresses are. It's really as simple as that. However, these mattress companies would offer anywhere between $50 to $250 per sale. Absolutely insane. So you can imagine if you're selling a $1,000 mattress, if you refer someone to a $1,000 mattress and you get $250, amazing. That's a really good referral program. There's one person called Derek who's listed in the article. There are a couple of other people as well, but Fast Company estimates that he was making $2 million a year, which is just insane. Can you imagine making $2 million a year just from reviewing mattresses? That's a pretty good job if you ask me. And yeah, he would just share his mattress reviews. He would link to all different mattresses and whatever else, and he would just get a kickback from all those sales. And again, it's just an amazing example on how to make money just from reviewing stuff that you're actually interested in. So many people do it. Even I do it for my own YouTube channel, my own main channel where I review tech and products and things like that. I'm already interested in these products. I'm already passionate about them. I want other people to know about them. I want to share them with other people. It's why I have my YouTube channel. And people naturally also are interested in them too. They click on a link and I get a kickback from the sale. So yeah, affiliate programs and stuff like that are just a really great way to make money if you're just interested in sharing anything and everything. So what if you wanted to make money from affiliate programs? Now, Amazon I think is the easiest one and the one that I recommend to everyone because it's just so easy to sign up. And there's products for pretty much anything and everything, of course. Everyone shops on Amazon. And the great thing about Amazon is, even if you link to a specific product, so for example, if I'm linking to an iPhone case, if the person clicks on the link, they don't necessarily have to buy the iPhone case. They can buy anything after clicking my link, anything from Amazon, whatever it may be, and I'll get a kickback. So when I look at my Amazon dashboard, I see people buying all sorts of stuff. You know, there's a lot of stuff that's not tech related at all. There's a lot of stuff that are just like home goods, food, clothes, all sorts of random stuff. I would also recommend going to brands directly, going to the website, going to the footer and seeing if they have an affiliate program themselves. And the reason for that is affiliate programs, when you go directly to the brands, usually pay out much better than Amazon does, because Amazon at the end of the day is just a middleman. They're not actually making these products themselves. But if a brand is making the product itself, you go to them, they're most likely going to give you anywhere between 10 to 30%. So, you know, for every $100 you give them, you make $30. That's amazing. I think that's a really good percentage to get. And finally, the other big one is share a sale. So what share a sale does is they go to lots of different brands and they get them to join into one affiliate program so that you only have to sign up once and you get access to all the brands all at once too. So that's just a quick look into affiliate marketing. I highly recommend it to anyone who's interested in if you're just interested in like a tech channel, you want to start a YouTube tech channel, whatever it is, and you want to review products, you're not going to make money straight away from AdSense, but you will make money straight away from Amazon affiliates and other sort of marketing programs. So it's a really good way to make money and not be reliant on ad revenue or anything like that. And it's also a really good way to start a website. If you're really passionate about something very, very specific, let's just say, for example, you're really passionate about phone cases. You could start a website reviewing every single type of phone case you can imagine. People will Google reviews for those phone cases. They will most likely end up onto your website because you're so specific about reviewing these cases, about reviewing phone cases. You can leave an affiliate link and you get a kickback. Really as simple as that. So for those who got to the end of the video, please leave a comment below on what you're passionate about and I'll try and come up with a marketing scheme for you. Just a quick one, just to give you some ideas. And I also want to see who got to the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe for more.